Guangdong Mietubel Holding Development Company Limited is a experienced company in mobile accessory manufacture industry. Our main products are all kinds of screen protector and film cutting machine. Our product ideas is make it easier to use, better life. Also, it is our brand belief. We have ability to share the leading information and solution for our customer. We are aiming to provide the quality and extreme price performance product to our customer that makes consumers satisfied and profitable to dealers. We have our own brand, Mietubel, which has been registered in USA, Brazil, Europe, Russia, Turkey, Mexico, Myanmar, India. Our brand products have been recognized by many of our cooperated customers, and our business is expanding 64 countries all over the world. We provide one-stop service, from product quality inspection to packaging and delivery. We owned 1,500 square meters warehouse, more than 5 million regular stocks to ensure all orders have a fast delivery time to give customer one non-worried process. Since 2019, we have been honored to be the supplier of Flipkart Smart Buy, which is related to Walmart online selling system in India. Our teams have professional experience meet OEM and ODM orders. Choose Mietubel. Join us. We are looking forward more cooperation.